What's up, guys? Will H back with another video, taking a look at the Tudia Merge series case lineup for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. So a big shout out to Tudia for sending these over for a review. You can pick these up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $16.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick them up. Now, this is going to come in several different colors. We will go through the colors. This is a shockproof dual layer slim heavy-duty protection case for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. A few more features and details. This is military-grade drop tested from 4 feet up to 26 times. This is a sleek-looking case. Has precise cutouts. It's fingerprint resistant as well. And you're going to have a nice raised lip edges around your screen and around your camera bar as well for great protection. So like I said, I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and read up some more about this or pick it up. Now, I have the Google Pixel 7 Pro in the snow color. As you guys see, this white is definitely nice. This is a beautifully designed device here. I hate to cover it up, but you know how that goes. If you don't, you're going to end up dropping it and cracking your display and messing up your device. So the first color that we have here, which I've already unboxed, took out of the wrapper, day one I needed some protection, is the indigo blue. And here it is here, guys. This is a beautiful case. Like I said, this is a dual layer case. There's a hard plastic part here along with the soft rubber part here. And you don't have to take that apart. I'm just showing you that it is a dual layer protection case. And on the inside of it, you're going to have Tudia Merge in there, and you got this design in there. That's for drop protection as well, right there. So let's go ahead and drop it on the phone and take a look at it. So very easy to drop it in place. You're going to have your little lip area here in case you want to lay it down flat. You're going to be good. You're good up around your earpiece and up in that area there. You're going to be great for hearing for phone calls. And on the bottom of it here, you see you got your speaker, your charging port, and your microphone cut out. All very nice there. You do have a grippy design right here to help with grip. And then at the top, you got your cutout for your antenna, and you do have a microphone cut out there. And on this side, you got your buttons here. They are raised. You got your power button as well. And then on the back, very deep recess area there for your camera bar and flash. Got Tudia branding right there. And very nice, black and indigo blue. Feels great in the hand, doesn't add a lot of bulk. And this is wireless charging compatible. Let's go ahead and try that out. There it is, no issue with the wireless charging. So let's check the buttons here. So the power button. Nice and tactile. Let's go ahead and get in. Swiping from the side is easy. Swiping from this side is easy. Swiping from the bottom. No issues there. Swiping from the top. No issues. Let's go ahead and check volume up and down. Nice, tactile, and clicky. So let's go ahead and get other cases out of their wrapper, and then we'll take a look at those. All right, guys, so I wanted to show you what's all in the packaging. So we're going to go ahead and just unwrap this one, and then the other ones I'll go ahead and take out. So here's the packaging. Tudia Merge, uniquely designed protective case. And then on the back, it's going to tell you some of those features that I already read off right there. Now, this is going to be the smoky pink. So when you open this up, you basically just got the case in there, and that's it. But here's the smoky pink. You guys see the same pattern and everything in there. And this is pretty dope, man. This is, if you like the pink, this is kind of pink, and this is purple, I guess it is here. Going around it there. Let's go ahead and drop it on the device. Check it out. So the indigo blue is out. The smoky pink is in. So there it is, and here's the smoky pink. That is pretty dope right there, guys. Here's the top of it. Here's the side. There's the bottom. If you love pink and purple, this is going to be great. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of them out, and we'll try those on. All right, guys, so the next one is going to be the rose gold, and here it is in comparison to the smoky pink. You can see there's a difference in the color there, so not the same. Let's go ahead and drop it on. So here it is. So that's very nice as well. You can see it with that chrome finish there on the camera bar. Here it is on the sides. Black and rose gold. If this is the color you want, this is what you're going to get here. Now they all pretty much cover up the color of your device. So it's just a matter of what color you want. So the next one is the matte black. Matte black is going to go awesome with everything, every color, I think. So here it is, the matte black. Do have like a glossy, this color here is kind of glossy, and it's matte all the way around. This is nice. I really like this color, along with the foam, and the wallpaper is hidden with it as well. So matte black. The next one is going to be the metallic slate. Now this is going to be like a silver color and black. As you guys see, it's going to be kind of shiny there. And none of them, as far as I can tell, were leaving any kind of fingerprints. So here it is, the side profile right there. This one is dope as well, especially with the color of the camera bar there. They're all, like I said, a very nice grip in the hand. Tudia knocked it out of the box with these cases. And the last one is going to be your forest green. Let's look at that one. It's going to be green and black. Here it is. Let's go ahead and drop it on the Pixel 7 Pro. Pixel 7 Pro is a beast, guys. So, oh, I like this one. I'm going to rock this one the rest of the day here. Oh, yeah, I like this color here. So there it is there. All the cutouts. And all of them are going to be wireless charging compatible. So this is the Tudia Merge series lineup of cases for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Link will be in the description. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.
Perfect.